All right, welcome back. Welcome back. So I promised us in our previous video that I will bring to you a video to compare two people, and one is Fallback Republic, another one is DOS gang group. Now, after this first, anniversary of Biafran, they redeclared. Though some of them said that they declared their own on 2nd of December, after knowing fully well that it was declared on 29th of November 2024. They insisted on that, and people are waiting for them to celebrate it on 2nd of December, since that is their own date. But before then, USB government, celebrated their own on 29th of November. They mocked, they laughed, hoping to show us their achievements so far. We have talked about it in the past, so I'm not going to go back. I just want to record your memory on that to understand what has happened and why it is going the way it is going, and why I'm actually trying to compare these two people. Because you, without being told, you can see the differences, you can see the intention, and their agenda is very, very clear. Now, let's start with Akparawa, his recent post, before we now move to other things that I want to say. I'm not going to share much video or much picture here, but I want you to hear what I'm saying, then recall your mind to those things. All right. Now, Akparawa made this post a couple of days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check the date, because I saw it yesterday. I believe it was not made that yesterday, and 2 days ago. Yeah, on 10th. He made this post on 10th. Today's date is 12 December 2025. And this to tell you, I told you in a previous video that I published earlier today that I saw it, I just kept quiet and said, let me just focus on another thing. But I'm coming back to it, and here we are. He said, anyone with this cartoon wins 100,000 naira. All right? I need a cartoon for this. APM Ogenkere, we see in Washington, D.C., White House, and defense, and look at it, APM Ogenkere, we see in Washington, D.C., White House, and defense says they are loyal to BRGIE. If an agwan I'm not gonna market. If on agwa here that he wanted someone who will design a cartoon where Ogenkere will be seen in Washington, D.C., and White House and defense, that is American authority, American government, will be telling Ogenkere, oh, we are actually loyal to BRGIE. We are in support of you. In fact, we worship you. We appreciate you. And he made some questions here. He said, one, where is Imam going to? Where is Imam Madabo? The CRC, the opposition. Where are they going to? Second, where is Ngozi going to? Third, I need an answer. Okay, third is, where is DOS going to? He said, I need an answer. And he talked about cartoon. He actually flooded another editing picture of Elias and Ogenkere, mounting themselves as banner here in this room they rented, which I told you, this is the room that I told you that I believe that all be Chicago. In the previous video that we watched, a video before this one, we talked about Obi Chicago and her own madness, right? I believe that this could be the office that she was referring, that they have office now in Washington, because they rented this place for the Congress hearing and congressional briefing and all that nonsense. After claiming that that's what they did, no Congress person, not even a representative, not even the secretary, not even gate man was there to observe anything. They did that thing and go. And we have seen now the recent video of people who actually managed to get it done the way it's supposed to be. If you want to go congressional hearing or congressional briefing, there are protocols to that. There's something that makes it to become that thing that you want it to be. If you want that, ask yourself, what is the difference between congressional hearing and congressional briefing? There's a slight difference to that between them. So if you are unable to separate, to understand these differences, you will be confused. You may think that what they have done here is excellent. Though I believe that Sana Akparawa and most of their, those of them gathering here, they know the difference. Like Elias know the difference. Even though Ogeker may not know. I don't need, he don't know. But somehow they have to do it anyway. And after all, they are doing it for black race. It doesn't matter who have time to cross-examine what they're doing. Nobody have time for that. As long as the title is boldly written, there's nothing to compare or contrast. But they keep on flooding these pictures, telling people that this is what the achievement and what they have done. That brings us to the issue of 2nd of December, when they told us that that they are the one, celebrating, that they were declared Biafra on 2nd of December. We waited and waited and waited to see that thing they are going to do. We couldn't see anything, not even one. You know what? Let me try my best and locate the pictures of Sana Akparawa, the pictures that they flashed on that day, or the video, showing you their own military parade, showing you their achievement. We have talked about it, but for the sake of this video, I think it's worth bringing back. Let's go there. So on that day, on the 2nd of December, they decided to show you this. Here, Hear this.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, fellow citizens, Biafran people. Today is the 2nd December 2025, and today also marks the first year of Biafra anniversary. Biafra was declared in Latin Finland December 2nd, 2024. So we are remembering the day we declared Biafra. And in the near future, we are going to celebrate our independence. Now we are not celebrating because our land is not totally liberated, and because we have not totally regained our total sovereignty. So when the time for celebration comes, Biafra people will let Biafra know, and we are last people. We will all dance and rejoice in Biafra.
All right. Hearing this, you would think that maybe okay, it makes sense. Our land is not totally, we are not totally in control of our land and all that. Okay. Then he went further by telling you that we are not celebrating, right? That when the time comes for us to celebrate, we're going to allow the world and we're going to dance in the streets of Biafra and all that and all that and all that. Okay. The question is, then you told us you have Biafra Liberation Army. You are paying money, you are contributing money to buy this and protect them and this and that and that and that. Now, you can also show them military match. So people that are contributing money, believing that you have people that are giving it, we see the magnitude of the people that are donating money for. The reason why PM actually, show the picture of Biafra Liberation Army is not because you want to show it for showing sake, but for Biafran who follow him, who contribute, to see what they're actually contributing for. Then what did this guy do and his gang up? This guy, look at the first thing that Sana Akparawa did, which you know who he is. He decided to show his own tactics by, he always lie, right? He don't talk much. When he talk, you feel like sleeping. But when it comes to writing, he will speak his mind. He will say his mind. If you want to know Sana Akparawa, don't listen to him much. Always go and read in details what he typed. He says, 2nd of December 2025, historically, the anniversary day of the Biafran Declaration of the Restoration of Independence happened to be the big day in U.S. Capitol Hill, where U.S. lawmakers gathered today to decide the fate of Nigeria on Christian genocide and freedom of the indigenous people. BRGIE lobbyists Elias and APM Ogenkere live from Capitol Hill, 2nd December 2025 on Biafran political and diplomatic and international engagements. Ima, he always wants to cut and join. All this we have talked about it. I don't think I'm going to go back to comment or trying to analyze this again. But he made this post. Remember, this is this is their own anniversary on 2nd of December. They know that next thing that should follow is military parade, right? Good. What do they do? Look at it here. Biafran appreciate Biafrans appreciate your, not our. Biafrans appreciate your Biafran Defense Forces. Not Biafran appreciate our. Remember, he is Minister of Information. Biafrans, my own, I will show you. I'm not the one that has this. We are watching it directly from his own platform. Biafrans, appreciate your Biafran Defense Forces for protecting your babies and parents since after 2nd of December declaration. They are protecting Biafran land since after. The thing is, like I said, we are all matured. You know the meaning of you are, right? You are babies, your Biafran Defense Forces, and your babies and your parents. Now, one way would I expect them to show now the new look of Biafran Defense Forces under their control. What did he do? He flooded the videos of Biafran Defense Force of the old. What I mean by the old? The one that the parade that was done under Biafran Prime Minister Samanepa. Listen. This video is not new to you, unless if you are just a new person to follow what is going on and everything. If you are OG, this video is not new to you, anybody. What did he do? He quickly writes up, write message on top of this video, so that it will look like this is a new one. 2nd of December, BRGIE under 8 a.m. They show Biafrans, their Biafran Defense Force. Most of the guys here, I don't think they're still alive. By the time of recording this video, when they made this video, at least Commander Holy Ghost was still here. Do you understand it? This guy, people without conscience, without honor, no dignity whatsoever. That's why he can tell you, Biafrans appreciate your Biafran Defense Force, your Biafran Defense Force for protecting your babies and your parents. His parents is excluded, his land is excluded, according to his right, or not me. That reminds us of these people. That reminds us of this. That my own is to share something to you. You'll be the one to be the judge, not me. All right, our own is just to touchlight it a little bit. Then you have the final say, not me. What you are seeing here now is DOS under the Mozo department. Look at this guy called a mega gift. A mega gift, right? He made this publication in the name of 5th anniversary of ESN. They keep on showing the old video, even though they are actually better than Ogenkere. They have a little clip of their new one. I don't need to lie to you. But they add it, of course, with the old one to make it look like something is going on. The tactics is to donate money for something that's not in existence. ESN 5th anniversary tribute. 5 years strong. 5 years strong. All hail the ESN security network. Exactly 5 years ago, in the heat of this night, brave sons and daughters of the in the heart of the night, brave sons and daughters of the rising sun took an unbreakable oath to defend our land, our people, and the dream of Biafrans. Today, we celebrate the courage and sacrifice and unbreakable spirit of the ESN, that is Eastern Security Network, the shield of the East, the voice of the voiceless. Okay, the song of our tribute to every commander, every volunteer, and fallen heroes. At least he appreciates they were fallen heroes. Okay, so now Akparawa will tell you they are, that kind of nothing. Whereas parading videos of people that they themselves have confused. Most of them, are confused. They don't even know who to believe and who to trust. They scattered it with lies, dragging position. He said the song. I'm not going to play the song because I don't know if the song has copyright. So permit me on that. He said they're celebrating the commanders, every volunteers and fallen heroes who stood tall when the enemy came with the tanks and with tanks and lies. Excuse me. Your blood waters our freedom. Your sweat echoes in our heart. Diaphragm lives because you live on in the struggle, because you live on in the struggle. I don't understand anyway. Now the video is here. Watch this video. So this is the song that I told that I don't want to play. I just want you to hear that, okay? So I'm gonna mute it so you can watch the video. Now, this video you are seeing here, all right, happened to be old video, not this year. Okay, old one. And they're still sharing it like Akparawa and Ogekere camp, what they're doing. Show us your new one. But they'll be the first to criticize the one that you managed to show. They'll be the one to tell you that, oh, it's a ragtag. But Fulani ragtag are the one we are preparing to face, right? Bandits are there who actually equipped. Oh, you are parading in the bush. Your fear is in the bush. I don't know, because some of us because you want to criticize, you go at any length to say a lot of nonsensical things. They said the ESN reverse. Hold on. Let's say this one, like I told you, this is old videos, old video. But they have to flash it to the gullible. It's a security reverse. This one. Old video, like I told you, old video. And remember, this is their own way of showing you the anniversary. They are remembering, the fifth anniversary. The fifth anniversary. Look at the video. Look at it. You can see at end. Watch. It's still going, because it's just a very short video. But what they do is this: once the video is trying to finish, they add the video again. Once they add it again. That's why you are seeing almost literally the same person over and over again. And at the end, they add this one. This is a different video. They just add it together using editing platform. Different video, different location. The first one is totally in a different place. This one I see here that is somehow like looking like that is not actually very clear. Is a video of them another place. This one is a new one. The one I see here, not the new one this year. I'm talking about the one after PM Masnogana have been arrested or kidnapped. The new one is about, they're not even up to 30. Okay, as I've seen that when PM was here, but since after the PM is not there, after the arrest of PM, I have not seen their recent video. The question is, why am I showing you all these things? For you to know the method of madness in these people, how they lie to people, how they want to deceive you and make you look like you are senseless. It is you that will make the final decision, not me. Think about it, and of course, let us know what you think about it. Please like the video. In case if you have watched it this far, this is almost 19 minutes. In fact, 19 minutes plus. Make sure you like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Take care.